grade 9 subjects maths. Unit number 1 real number and it's a exercise 1.1. In a previous lecture we have discussed the properties of a real number and then we use in a exercise 1.1 question number 4. So shortly revision of this properties. First is addition property. Clear property in which are two values. One value is a and second value is b. This doesn't matter how much is value. It may be a 10, it may be a 1000, it may be a 100. But have two value and its result is called a clear property. If a simple addition of a two values is called a clear property. A commutative property in which two values a and b are to be added and left hand side and right hand side is to be equal is called a commutative property. Associated property in which have three values that be added and left and right hand side to be equal to each other. In which have a three terms. How many terms? Three terms. 1, 2, 3. Left hand side 1, 2, 3. Right hand side. And the both terms and both the left and right hand side is to be equal. The values of ABC, the left hand side and right hand side is to be equal. Is called associated addition of properties. Identity property in which you have a one value and add the zero. Zero is called the identity property because that the value is to be itself. When you added zero in any value, the answer of this is itself of that's the value because that zero is doesn't matter is to be add or subtract. When you add and subtract this zero, the answer of the value is to be other value. Okay, then the inverse property when you have a plus minus a minus a is equal to 0. When your answer is equal to 0, it's called the inverse property. So using of this property, we have to do question number 4. They say that name of the property used in the following. उन्होंने क्या है कि आपको जो क्वेश्चन दिए गए उनकी आपने प्रॉपर्टीज बतानी है. According to this, a plus 4 plus c. A plus 4 plus c and a plus 4 plus c. Okay student, accordingly how many values? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So look at this, the value of the both side is equal. When they say that the left hand side and right side are to be equal, and which is the property? Associated property, in which have a three term is called the associated property of addition. In which have a three term 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many sides? Two sides, and each side have a three terms of numbers. So they have a three terms of number. It's called the association property of addition. In which have a question number 2, a and b. A first value is considered as and second value is to be a b is equal to b plus a. So when you have a plus b and b plus a is called the communicative property of addition. Communicative property of addition when the a and b, a plus b or b plus a, left hand side and right hand side is to be equal to each other is called the communicative property of addition. Next is the x minus x is equal. When your value is to be a 0 is called the inverse property because that the term is minus by itself. When the number, if any number is minus by itself, the always this answer is equal to 0. So students are the addition properties, associate properties of addition. Let me a short explanation of the multiplication property. Multiplication of OB is a clear property. Communicative property AB and B of a multiplication is called a communicative property. And have a three terms of multiplication is called a communicative. Associated property of multiplication. Identity property when a number is a multiply by 1, its answer is itself. So it's called the identity property. And you have inverse property if the number is a multiplied by 1 by a, so its answer is equal to a is called the inverse property. So students